So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy a stock on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the home screen here, then go to the bottom and press on the yellow circle with the arrow, and then go to where it says place order and select that. Once you're on this page at the top, I want you to go ahead and search up the symbol or the name of the stock that you're looking to buy. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead here and I'll do TELUS Corporation. I recently searched that up. Also, I'll just go ahead and press on TELUS Corporation. It'll then bring you to this screen where you can go ahead and select your account. So I'll go ahead and do that quickly. So once your account is selected, you can go to the bottom and select actions. So if I were to go ahead here and select buy, I can go ahead and do that quickly. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can go ahead and choose your market type or your order type. So you can go market, limit, or stop limit. I'll just keep it at, market for this example. Then you can also go to the bottom and type in the quantity. It'll then show you the estimated total plus the commission and the total, and if all that looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and place your order by proceeding with the steps that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy a stock on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.